Hey everybody, how's it going? We're going to do a 2-in-1 review. We have one review on the Kobalt non-contact voltage detector pen with the GFCI outlet tester. The next we'll have the GFCI outlet tester with a digital read. The reason we're doing 2-in-1 today is because this one you can purchase by itself, alone, solo. This, you have to purchase the combo pack. I wanted the pen, and this came with it. So, I have two now. So we're going to see our test using a GFCI outlet. The test and reset button do work. This has two modes, low voltage and high voltage. The low voltage mode tests 12 volts to 1000 volts alternating, and the high voltage tests 100 volts to 1000 volts. Category 4, serial number, and once again it is a Kobalt. We're going to take a look at the flashlight first. Not bad. So, power button. One push turns it on. One push turns it off. It is a self-testing pen. It self-tests every 5 seconds according to the instructions. Got a little flash there is a self-test. So at least you know you got something that's going to be self-testing. So we have the high voltage mode, which is a green light. Hold the power button while it's on. Turns amber. That is a low voltage mode. Hold it again. Goes back to high voltage mode. So now we're going to test our GFI. We have a audible beep. And we're going to switch to low voltage mode. Now this low voltage mode is pretty cool. You have a proximity. So the closer you get to the voltage within proximity of it, the faster the audible tone gets. That's pretty cool. So we'll hold the button again. Now we're back on high voltage mode. Now it has a silent mode. Holding both buttons like that, so we know that that switches from low voltage to high voltage. One button turned it off. So we hold the power button. We are now in silent mode. Now we'll switch to low voltage silent mode, and we'll see if we get proximity. And it looks like we still get proximity, albeit it is a flash. So that's pretty cool. And then we turn it off. Now we're going to test our GFCI receptacle tester. So we see here our test and reset buttons work. We plug it in. We got our two lights there, signifying that it is properly wired. Those of you who are familiar with these products do know right off the bat what every mode or light or flash or blink means. But for those of you who aren't familiar, we get this two solid lights, and it is self-explanatory. Alright, so we're going to hit our reset button. Nice. So it does turn back on if you leave it plugged in. Again, we're going to try. So it does trip the GFI. In our second review, we have this one. I like it. Same thing with the readings, only it goes top to bottom. This one here looks like it goes bottom to top. So this one here is a category 2. This one here is also a category 2. So we're going to plug this one in. And we have a digital read, shows we're reading 120 volts, which is good. I did notice though that the lights here, they are a bit bigger, and they are a yellow-green color. So we're going to go ahead and hit our button. You can see that red flash on there, signaling that it did work. I'm going to test it one more time. And pretty cool. Nice snug fit. So we have here, again, our stick, non-contact voltage detector pen with a GFCI outlet tester combo. I got this Lowe's.com. This one was inside the store, the last one on the shelf, and I've just been wanting it for a while. I do like Kobalt tools. Their warranties are good. Their build on their tools is good. I am, however, waiting for a multimeter. So Kobalt, hurry up and build that multimeter. And make sure it's got a LED in it. Backlit screen, something that you can see in the dark, please.